Hello and good day from Wajid Sons. Currently this one is C63 AMG. As you can see, this one doesn't have battery, and here it is placed in trunk of this vehicle. Currently we have installed Autopower, which is 100 ampere an hour with 830 cranking ampere. Now we are going to plug in scanner and check if all the fault codes, we will remove them. So you can see this one is 204 C63 AMG sedan. We will check health report of this vehicle. You can see these are all the fault codes. We will clear them. This one is 6.3 V8 AMG. Thanks for watching Wajid Sons Pakistan.